Okay, guys, dinner is ready. I already ate some, but I had string beans, some yellow rice. I made some air fried chicken wings and some air fried butter biscuits. And it tastes so good. Came out just right, perfect. Got up this morning and started to cook early. So, this is what I do on Sundays. Well, I want to say happy Sunday to all of you guys. Be safe. And you know this world is crazy. It's a challenge. So just be safe out. You know, and always follow your dreams. And do what you got to do. And remember, God loves you, and so do I. Signing off, this is Taisha. And remember, subscribe. Press that notification button so when I'm on, you get on. Like, comment, and share. Okay? Good day now.